Yes, bete, we are taking question number 7 on page number 556. It is an insurance company insured 200 scooter drivers. Sorry, 2000 scooter driver, 4000 car driver, and 6000 truck drivers. The probability of an accident are, for the scooter it is 0.01, for the car 0.03, and for the truck 0.15. These are the respective probabilities. One of the insured person met with an accident. What is the probability that he is a scooter driver? So first of all, try to think probability that the scooter driver takes insurance. He has insurance. So probability of scooter driver, that is E1 I am saying. This will be E1, this will be E2, this will be E3. So probability of taking insurance by scooter driver is favorable cases 2000 upon total cases 12,000. PE2 is the insurance of the car driver is having, that is favorable cases 4,000 upon total cases 12,000. A car driver is having insurance is favorable cases. The car drivers are taking insurance to the total number of people who are having insurance. Then PE3, this is for the truck drivers. So that will be favorable case will be 6,000, on total cases will be 12,000. We could easily simplify it. More simplification is also possible. Now PA on E1, probability accident took place, and the person is a scooter driver. Probability that scooter driver meets with the accident is 0.01. It is given to us. Probability accident of the car driver is 0.03. Probability that accident took place and the person is a truck driver is 0.15. So this is the right selection is the most important task. If you have selected these things, what is E1, what is E2, what is E3, and PA on E1, PA on E2, PA on E3. If we are able to select these things, we will be able to get the right answer very fast. Now let us think what is the formula. Main thing in the question is asked, one of the person met with the accident. What is the probability he or she is scooter driver? So PE1 on A, PE1 on A is PE1 PA on E1 on total probability. Total probability is means all the condition. Accident took place for scooter driver, accident took place for the car driver, plus accident took place for the truck driver. So PE1 PA on E1 plus PE2 PA on E2 plus PE3 PA on E3. Let us put the values. I'll shift this side now. PE1 is 2 by 12, that is 1 by 6 into 0.01 upon, okay, 2 by 12 will be better. Calculation wise we need not to think in that case. Now 2 by 12 into 0.01 plus 4 by 12 into 0.03 plus 6 upon 12 into 0.15. So this all will be. Now see what we could do. I'm taking 12 as LCM in numerator and denominator, so that will cancel out. So it will be 0.02 upon 0.02 plus 0.12 plus 0.90. On simplification, what answer I will be getting? 0.02 upon 2 upon 104, that is 1 upon 52 is the chance that a scooter driver meets with the accident. Yes, see, question number 12 I am doing on the page number 557. It is a card from the pack of 52 cards. We have been given a pack of 52 playing cards. A card from the pack of 52 playing cards is lost. A card is lost. -1. We are having now 51 cards. I was having 52 cards when I bought the deck of the playing cards. One card is lost. After losing one card, now I am having 51 cards. Out of these 51 cards, 2 cards are drawn. Now I am taking out 2 cards at random. 2 cards are drawn and are found to be diamond. What is the probability? The lost card is also diamond. Now 2 cards are taken out and both cards are found to be diamond. What is the probability that the lost card is also diamond? So there are 2 cases. E1, lost card is diamond. E2 is the case, lost card is not diamond. 2 only cases are there. Either the lost card is diamond or lost card is not diamond. Now, probability of E1. What is the probability that the lost card will be diamond? How many diamonds are there in the playing cards? Out of 52 cards, how many diamonds are there? 13 on 52. 13 on 52. So it will be 1 on 4. The lost card is diamond. Its probability will be 1 by 4. PE2. The lost card is not diamond. Lost card is not diamond. So how many cards are there other than diamond? I don't know. So this will be 1 minus PE1. That is 1 minus 1 by 4, or it will be 3 by 4. Otherwise, also I know 39 non-diamond cards are there out of 52. So this will be 3 by 4 only. So the 2 ways we are having, whatever you want to use, you could use. Now, 2 more cards we are taking. 2 more cards we are taking. So 2 more cards. PA on E1. PA on E1 means whether the lost card is diamond or not. Whether the lost card is diamond or not. The 2 cards are taken out. The 2 cards are taken out are found to be diamond. These 2 cards are diamond. So what is the probability of being diamond when the lost card is diamond? Because we are going for E1. E1 is lost card is diamond. Now how many diamonds are left with us? 1 is lost. So 12 are left. So it will become out of 12 we are taking 2. And total case will be out of 51 because 1 is already lost. Out of 51 I am taking 2, whereas P A on E2 will be when the lost card is not diamond. When the lost card is not diamond. Now 2 cards we need to take. Now how many diamonds are there when lost card is not diamond? It means we are having 13 diamond. We are having exactly 13 diamonds. So out of 13 diamond cards, we want 2 diamond cards. And total will be with us 51 only. Because one is lost by chance, that is not diamond. Now, only we need to implement the formula. So formula is, what is the probability lost card is diamond? Lost card is diamond means favorable case is even. So P E1 on A. P E1 on A will be P E1 P A on E1 on total probability. Total probability is P E1 P A on E1 plus P E2 P A on E2. This is the total probability. So favorable case on the total cases. Favorable case is P E1 1 by 4 into 12 C2 upon 51 C2 on total cases, that is 1 by 4 into 12 C2 upon 51 C2 plus when it is not diamond means 3 by 4 into 13 C2 on 51 C2. Must remember 2 cards are taken out. 2 cards are taken out without replacement. For without replacement we are applying combination one formula without replacement. If it was not without replacement, then we need to go directly. Directly means 12 upon 51. Now that is replaced. Replaced again 12 upon 51. But without replacement, it is first card 12 upon 51. One card is taken out. Now we will be having 11 upon 50. If we will simplify this, then also same will be coming with us. If we will simplify it, same we will be getting. This is our homework.